We're coming to the end of 2025. If you are super proud of yourself, you've done everything that you want to do, your life is perfect, and you love yourself so much, then click off this video because this video is not for you. Everyone who stayed, listen the fuck up. Just because it's now December and Christmas is around the corner does not give us an excuse to just give up on all of our goals, all of our hopes, all of our dreams. No. What this means is we have one more month to prove to ourselves that we are capable of achieving whatever it is that we want to achieve. I know this is probably the hardest time to get your ass into action when everyone else is just chilling, doing nothing, eating mince pies. But if you really want something, if you have a dream, if you have something that you need to bring into manifestation, then you do not have time to waste. So what I urge you to do from today, December 1st, is join me for your December lock-in. What this means is every single day, I want you to dedicate at least 1 hour of your life, which you do have, just 1 hour, to work towards whatever goal that you want the most. So that by the time 2026 comes around, you're already 31 days ahead of where you would be had you waited and started on January 1st. I think this is really important, especially when we have loads of social events coming up, because you working on something for yourself builds confidence in yourself. It makes you a more interesting person. So when it comes around to these social events and people are saying, hey, what are you up to? You can say, oh, well, actually, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm working on my goals. And not only that, not only will you have something to talk about, but also you saying you're going to do something and doing it builds confidence in yourself, and that energy radiates out to everyone else because you believe it, you feel it, and that can be felt by other people because we have an energy field, right? So whatever we're feeling in here can be felt probably up to 2 meters out of us. It's like when a neggy, angry person walks into the room and the whole energy in the room shifts. The same can be said for when someone is glowing and positive and confident. And do you not want that to be you? Yes. So, what I suggest, rather than using the Christmas period to do nothing and party, I think you should harness the joyful energy of the month, harness the fun Christmas lights, the music, the love, just the energy, the fun energy of Christmas, and put it into yourself and use it as fuel to achieve all of your goals. It's easier to work when everything feels lighter and more fun. Whereas in January, everything's heavy, everything's depressing. People die in January more than any other month. People are broke. The energy of January is just a dark, bleak time. So trying to do anything then is probably going to be harder than it is to do it now when everyone is happy and having fun. And don't give me the excuse that you don't have time. Because you do have time. 1 hour a day. What's your screen time? Take 1 hour off your screen time and do something to work on yourself. Go to the gym. Move your bodies, guys. Move your bodies. I went to the gym the other day. I did a run. I did cardio. Wow. That shit makes you feel so good. Tidy up your home. Make it cozy. Make it nice. Think of that business plan. Start working on that hobby. Start doing whatever it is you've been talking about for the longest time, because you're not getting any younger. And the quicker you start something now, the more likely you are to achieve it in the coming year. You need to ask yourself, what version of me do I want to walk into 2026 as? Do you want to be more confident? Do you want to be more intelligent? Do you want to be more consistent, more connected with yourself, more spiritual? Whatever it is, what do you want? How do you want to walk into the new year? How do you want to be perceived? Act like that person. Because why are you wasting time being someone who you don't want to be? Why are you wasting time being miserable? Why are you wasting time living a life of mediocrity when what you want so bad is this big life that dreams are made of? But you're not doing anything. So do something. And now, before I say goodbye, I just want to reiterate the fact into you that we only have 31 days left of 2025. Do you want 2025 to be a waste of time? No, then you have 31 days to make it count. 31 days to walk into 2026 as a new version of you, the version of you that you've wanted to be for so long. You can do it. You can make it happen. Stop wasting time. If you got this far, I want you to let me know in the comments just one thing that you're going to lock in for this December to make it real. If you put it out there, if you admit it to yourself, if you put it down in writing, you are way more likely to make it happen. So let me know what you're doing. I would love to hear it. And that is all from me today. My name is Chloe. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this motivational self-development content. And please give me a thumbs up because it means the world to me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.